In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to accept a collaboration request on Instagram. So when someone requests to collaborate with you on an Instagram post, you'll get that notification in form of a DM. So if you go to your direct messages, you should see the collaboration request in form of a message. So it should come like this. It says, this user invited you to be a collaborator on their post, and it shows you the post, and you can tap on review request, look at the post, see if you want to accept to be a collaborator, and then tap on review, and then this little pop-up will appear telling me that that user invited you to be a collaborator on their post. If you accept, your name will be added to the post and it will be shared to your followers in addition to where it's already visible. In any of the collaborators, if any of the collaborators on the post has a public account, it will appear publicly. All right. So to accept, simply tap on accept. It's gonna take a moment. And now, as you can see, this is a collaborative post between that user and myself. And that's basically how to accept a collaboration request on Instagram. So now if I go to my profile, you can see there's a collaboration, there's that post, which I didn't post. The only thing I did was accept the collaboration from this user who actually posted this post. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.